You are going to love 2006 Ram Pickup 2500. The Ram 2500 is built with sturdy hydroformed frames and capable four-wheel drive options to handle the toughest job site terrain while maintaining a smooth ride. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, power windows, CD player, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, trip computer, remote keyless entry. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.